boys and girls. It's Mrs. Bassler. And this is my baby birdhouse part 3. Mommy bird is here. The babies are peeking out the door when they hear Mommy come. They've gotten so big. If you can see them in there, you might see 2 or 3 beaks. There's 3 beaks right at the window. There's actually 4 babies in there, but look how big they've gotten. They hear Mommy right up here, and they are waiting for her to come. They're looking at the window, and they are ready for Mommy. I just hope they don't fall out. So it has been fun watching their mom and dad build a nest, put it together, have their eggs, the babies hatch, and now these babies are going to be ready to fly. You see them peeking out the window. They're little furry. If you pull this closer, if Mom and Dad can zoom in, you might be able to see how their feathers have grown, their little beaks. So we'll just hang out here a little bit and see if Mom comes back. We'll sit very still. But you can continue to maybe see those baby birds peek out the window and say hello. And I don't know if any of them will take flight this weekend. They might be moving on and doing that next lesson of life. Remember, you learn to walk, and they're going to learn to fly. I think they're looking right at us, talking. Do you see her little head moving back and forth? I think they were talking to you. If you look right in that door, you can see at least 3 beaks moving around and waiting. And we'll wait just a second or 2 more and see if Mom and Dad come back. They were flying right over my shoulder and sitting on the azalea bush. And this might be the last time we see them up close. I don't know if they'll come out at night or first thing in the morning, but I promised you if I would catch them getting to learn to fly, I'll try to do it. Oh, there's all 4 of them at the door right now. There's a beak at the left, the right, on the bottom and to the right. All of them are chirping. Can you see them peeking out here? They are ready for Mommy and Daddy, and Mommy's right down here. She's coming. She's right up there. She's going to fly down and see her babies. Do you see them? They're getting so big, they almost knocked Mommy right off the house. Did you see them fly out to see their Mommy? She'll be back. She's right here next to me. Oh my goodness, did you see those birds? They were reaching for hugs and kisses, I think, from their Mommy. I hear her flying. We'll give her a couple more seconds to come back, and then I'm going to back up and leave them go. They have grown beautiful. And I hope you have fun watching baby birds, everything they do to get their house ready. And they're going to move on and graduate just like you're graduating from nursery school. You'll be going to preschool, or you'll be going to pre-K, and you'll be going to kindergarten. And that's how everybody grows. Everybody's getting to be another year older in our class. We sang a lot of happy birthdays this year. So boys and girls, you have a great summer. We're going to say goodbye to these baby birds. I miss you, and we love you all very much, boys and girls. You have a very good summer. All right. I don't know if Mommy's coming. These babies are so excited at this door. Oh, I hear Daddy. Hope it's Mommy. Let's see if she comes up. She's on the sidewalk right by me. You see all the babies trying to come out? Oh my goodness. Look at that one still out the door waiting for mommy. Oh, I'll say, babies, you gotta hold on and take turns. All right, I think we'll let these babies go. They're so excited to see their mommy of hugs and kisses. All right, boys and girls. We'll see you later. Unless I get a flight one, this will be the end of baby bird houses. Bye-bye.